Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to withdraw your funds from the LSSC platform directly to your Coinbase account in a simple and hassle-free way. First, we go to the official LSSC website. Once we're in, we click on the profile icon or the three horizontal lines on the side, then select the withdraw option. A list of available cryptocurrencies for withdrawal will appear, such as USDT, USDT, TRC20, and USDC. At the bottom of that list, you'll find a field labeled Wallet Address or Please Enter Wallet Address. This is where you'll need to paste your Coinbase wallet address. To get that, open the Coinbase app, go to the Assets section, choose the currency you want to receive, for example USDT. Then tap Receive to display your wallet address. Copy that address, return to the LSSC site, and paste it into the wallet address field. After that, select the currency you want to withdraw, click Withdraw, and finally tap Confirm to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've now successfully transferred your money from LSSC to Coinbase with ease.